Hello foodies, today we are making a seafood platter with some of our favorites. Here I have 1 kilo of tiger prawns, washed and deveined with the heads on. In this marinade, I will be adding a teaspoon of fine salt, some black pepper, 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, and lastly 2 teaspoons of lemon and herb wet spices. After mixing this in, I'm going to let the marinade infuse for around 30 minutes. Here we have some wood smoked hake fillets and some calamari strips. I've used half of these packages. You can fry this or grill it. I decided to grill it in the oven for around 15 to 20 minutes on 180 degrees. So the prawns is now ready. I did a pan-fried prawns in butter on medium-high heat for around 5 minutes until it sizzles. Here's what we will need for the lemon garlic butter sauce. I added half a cup of dry white wine, a teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 freshly squeezed lemon, a quarter cup of fresh cream, a dash of salt and pepper. We're going to let this cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. The starches was a bed of fragrant yellow rice with fried chips. I then layered the seafood over this. I poured some of the lemon garlic butter sauce over this to get the flavors in, and the rest of the sauce I served with dry white wine, crushed chili and garlic. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel.